So here actually you can see kind of few plasters we are experimenting on. 9 different plasters and with different materials and different. There are a few tests we can actually find out which plaster is good. So all these plasters actually are quite good. When you look at the plaster actually there are no cracks. So and also the second part is if it's not applied properly also you can hear the hollow sound. You saw this? This part is not good. So first test we are doing rub test or field test or something. Yeah. On the first plaster is earth plus straws. So you can see here it's mostly earth and straws is visible. So we took 2 parts of earth and half a part of straws. So in this you can see first test is this. Actually you can see it's not crumbling. It's not coming out. It's not easy. It's not crumbling. So it's a good plaster. So the first test is good. So we do in for other plasters too. You see? This is also good. Earth plus cow dung. Take the ratio. Yeah. So this is also quite good. Earth plus straws plus cow dung. This is also quite good. Earth plus straw plus cow dung plus maida. All of them are good. You cannot feel the difference because all of them are actually quite good. You can see this. So it's not at all good plaster here we applied before. So you see. So this it's really bad. Okay, let's start with the third test. That's water resistant test for all the plasters we did. Actually only earth and straws. We didn't add anything like additives like cow dung, maida, something to give water resistance little more. But the earth and straws itself is actually a kind of water resistant. This is good. So we go to the next plaster, that's earth plus cow dung. See, it's not at all soft also still. It is hard. Earth plus straw and cow dung. Okay. Here you can see maybe because of the straw fibers it might be formed a layer over here, or else it should be much better than the first and second. So we can actually make it better if we reduce the straw little more and increase the cow dung ratio. So let's go for the fourth one. This is pretty good. We added maida, so what difference it makes if we add maida? Maida makes not only the plaster flexible, hard, it also makes the plaster much more water resistance. Okay, the fifth one, we go to the fifth plaster. We are going to do earth on earth, charcoal, cow dung and rice husk. This one is hard. The new materials what we introduced in this plaster is charcoal and rice husk. So these two combinations might be giving more resistance in terms of impact of the water and also the water resistance. So the last what we can do is the water test. So we hit it and we'll see. That is an impact test with the hammer. We just hit at point and we'll see. It's crumbling, huh? It's crumbling. Okay. It's bonded well. A little sand is coming out, but it's good. You see the impact? This actually, what we can observe, this is just, it's like more flexible, I feel like. We hit it, but it kind of trying to hold it. Okay, better than this, better than this. Earth plus straw plus cow dung. This is the combination of first two plasters. We'll find out. It's very easy to fall apart. As far as we see, third one is better than 1 and 2 plasters because it's a combination. It's more flexible, it's withstanding the impact. You can see it's like some kind of elasticity it has in this plaster, so it's good. So the next thing is earth plus straw plus cow dung and maida. It doesn't make much difference, but still we find. We'll feel. Oh, it's hard. Impact part is really good in this, so I'm satisfied with this. So the sixth one we go. Earth, rice husk, ash. We did not rice husk. We burnt and we got an ash of rice husk and cow dung. Let's check out.
Oh, nice.
It's, you see this? So it's stronger. It's very strong compared to this. Ash is really working out really well, I think. Earth, rice husk, ash, and cow dung and rice paste. Rice paste is kind of, we boil it and we get a kind of sticky rice paste. As usual, as expected, because of rice husk ash in this, it's pretty hard. Okay, let's go for the next plaster. Earth, rice husk ash, cow dung and maida. You feel it's almost same. Yeah, good ones. You can see really. And ninth one is pretty interesting because it's completely different from all these plasters and also a little new for us. Earth and rice husk fermented for 5 days. That's what we can do. 5 days. It's not like standard. You can do 2 days, 3 days, 1 month, 1 year also might be. Who knows? Sherin, Deepu against Sarin and his Niku. So this is our team. Yeah.